Yeah, I have.
Would you like to act in Kannada?
Like, I love the some of the cinema that's coming from here is mind blowing. So I would love to do something. The only challenge is the language. If I can get a grip on the language, if if I can do that, if we can find something, or if it's a character where there's not too much, where the hero is not speaking, the lead character is not doing too much dialogue, then I think I can easily do it. But now there's no more. In a few years, there is no going to no longer be language. It's all going to be pan India cinema. That's the only thing that's going to work. Uh, so people, you need subjects like that, and you ideally need people from across regions to accept you and want you to watch. Some of them will achieve it, but films are crossing barriers like that, like be it north south, be it how well from Bahubali, if we see, to KGF, to anything. Now Pahalwan is also coming. uh, our film is coming, and I know slowly it's a complicated thing. It's not easy to do it. It takes 4 times the effort. uh, I wanted it 4 languages. I asked my producers. My producers are Dildar. Is say 4 languages, done sir, do it. We did it. The first lyrical video we released, I was like, what did we get ourselves into? 4 languages, 4 lyric writers, 4 spelling mistakes, everything correct. You need to get 8 singers to sing. To make one lyrical video, it's like releasing 4. We were just like gone by end of one lyrical video. And like, now we have to promote this film in 4 cities and make it reach the people, dub in 4. What did we get it? But then I was like, people did it. If Yash did it, if Bahubali did it, if you have to do it, you just have to push. This may work, this may fail, but the thing is that I want to try it. Only if I do it will I know, will it, what are the issues with it, what will work, can you correct, can you do better stuff. That is the point. So I wanted to push. I felt like this is a film that works, and this is a film I'm putting so much effort. I want to take it. Now I'll see what happens. If it works, wonders. If it fails, but I will learn. We will learn, and a lot more people will learn from this. Other directors will also understand, oh, this doesn't work, and they will not make the mistakes that I am making now. But the point is to push.
How you enjoying the promotions because of your traveling? Today is Bangalore, tomorrow is Hyderabad, other
Yeah.
later tomorrow is Chennai, Cochin.
I will enjoy when I see the crowd there. Till then, it is work. But as soon as you go there, the music turns on and there are 3,000, 4,000 people shouting, gone. That will be fun. Then for 1.5 hours, we'll just go all out, sing, dance, do maza, and come. So,
Your brother also entered the film industry.
yeah, today is film released,
He's
but
a
I'm not there.
competitor to you.
Competition is always welcome. Like, the keeps you on your feet, no? More actors, they're like, I need to work harder. I need to. I need to. Yes. No, that's not true. There's a film. I have launched a production house. There's a film. It's almost done, and Rashmika hasn't acted in it at all. I'll start promoting it once I'm done with my film. It's a bunch of It's a new director. He's a Tamil boy, having some young actors from Telugu and Tamil. So it's a bunch of young people. The idea was that when I made Pellichupulu, me and Tarun didn't have people to back us because we didn't have. It's not easy because it's a business. There's money involved. But I know how we were then. So the idea is that if I want to find people like that and help them. Now I have a platform. So if I can pull people like that in, it'll be fun. Some interesting film will come.
Personally, మీరు cricket lover.
Personally,
Cricket lover.
I used to watch it a lot. I used to play a lot, but somewhere over the last 3-4 years, I'm occupied by other things. There's so much to do that I have. So only when like India match, some important matches playing, I'll watch. Otherwise, I just see the result, who and what is happening.
PL player.
Huh? ఇంకా ఉంటుంది కదా మన వాళ్ళు ఎంతైనా టిల్ లాస్ట్ మినిట్ అరే కొడతారా ధోని కొడతాడురా అంటే అందరే చీని అమ్మాయింది పెట్టేద్దాం అంటే ఆగా కొడతాడురా అంటే 6 కొట్టిండు అరే గెలుస్తాంరా అంటే ధోని బికమింగ్ రన్ అవుట్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ యూ వుడ్ నాట్ ఇమాజిన్ బట్ యూ ఆల్వేస్ వాంట్ అండ్ మేము అక్కడ వాచింగ్ ఇట్ ఆన్ అ ల్యాప్టాప్ and we were all like she was there, my entire team was there, and we were all like I was having nerves inside, I was feeling nervous, I'm like how are these guys playing, I don't know.